One of the services that we do bring to the design community and developer community, builder community, is that we can provide a lunch and learn to help you to help teach you more about standard practices, the Energy Efficiency Act, BC Step Code, all the technical aspects that go into window design that people might not think of if they're not dealing with it day to day like we are. So having that lunch and learn in a structured educational program, a lot of our customers find that helpful, not just for current projects, but also for a long term. And of course, it's just the beginning of the discussion. So having a lunch learn is a great way to start the conversation, but it also helps us build the project team for your success.